Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy 2020!
2020, new decade.
Yes, guys, we're back. So before I tell you guys about tonight's video,
Don't forget to like, subscribe,
that's right,
share,
and what else? I don't know.
I don't know.
Wagwan!
Wagwan!
What's Wagwan? That's right. So here we go. Let me tell you about the video tonight.
Oh my God, you guys are gonna laugh.
Because that's what we aim to do, to make you laugh. Because in a world with so much seriousness, why not just laugh, huh? Have some fun. So tonight's video is a prank, guys.
Our first prank.
Prank. And this prank is gonna be
On my stepson.
so he's on his way over from your house right now.
Yeah, he's on
And actually, he was the one trying to have us do a prank on his dad and Mike and his uncle, right?
Yeah.
But instead,
we turned the tables on him.
we turned the tables on him. Yes, him afraid of police.
Bud, free the police, Bud.
Him-
Bud.
Yes, him afraid of police. Bad. So, we have one for him. You guys have to stay tuned. Make sure you don't miss this, because let me tell you.
It is going to be funny.
So we cook up a ticket. We forge a all of this by the internet. Keep in mind, he just came from Jamaica when?
June.
Yeah, June of last year.
Yeah.
He got his license. He's so excited about driving.
Excited.
Yes, excited about driving. The boy feel like say, Lord, in the top of world now, him a big driver. Driver don't stop at all at him that.
But the funny thing is, when police come behind him, he slows down to like the exact speed limit. If not a little, if not below it.
That's true. Yeah, him very careful.
Very careful.
Well, you can't knock him for that.
No,
Say him careful.
no.
Him careful.
But he's over. Like he freaks out in the car when you're with him and police are behind you.
Yes, so here what we do now. We cook up a ticket. Then mail it. We got the envelope and everything. So, Mike go pretend say I'm gonna check the mail. And how about when he got the mail at this him get? Yeah, a fake ticket where we
Creative.
create. And actually this is a notice so we put together for him appear in a court. And you the funny part about this now, the fine is $5,000 US and in court date January 31st. And it said notice to appear in court. Failure to appear will lead up to imprisonment or deportation. So, you know, so when him see this, he might go freak out. He want to prank people.
We're gonna prank him.
We are going to prank the boy. Stay tuned.
I believe in love. I believe in unity. I believe in friendship. I believe in you and me. No matter what the color of your skin may be, I believe in us. I believe in us. I believe in us.
It's about to be on, guys.
It's on.
They just pull up in the driveway. So I have to put my game face on.
Game face
Game face
on.
now. They're about to ring the doorbell. Go, Mike. Go.
We have to wait till they ring the bell.
Yeah, wait till they ring the
Hold on.
Yeah,
Wait
hold
till
on.
they
Wait
ring.
till they ring the doorbell. There they go. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right.
Every time. Every time.
Ayun na.
Sir.
What up, Grumpy?
Yeah.
Things never change.
I don't know why, man.
Well, you're
bring it in.
junk meal.
No, man, we been a going. We been a going remember them in a.
I feel okay?
No, man, in a mailbox.
What your name
I'm going to
now?
bother going to the house because I said the alarm.
No, you got the with them all the time. But you have to come out at the I and I see that there. What?
Yeah, violate the eye.
Grumpy, what
Oh,
on?
man.
Nothing.
Down.
Out there cold?
Eh.
You not cold.
No, I'm going to be careful, man.
Because that's a you're cold up here.
Okay, things that eh.
You're
Enjoy
cold.
winter, enjoy
I
summer.
don't deal with nothing in a pool or in a eye.
You're cold up here.
No, I.
Yeah, what?
Yo, you man, I say listen, move to Baruka one night and because like the map.
I think stop.
Oh, this is my Rasta. Be careful, Rasta on it.
No? Which one you are, Rasta?
Yes, so
I
you're
that's
talking
that
about.
about the eye, no,
Eh?
man.
I
Yeah,
no.
man.
Yeah,
that's cool,
because if you cook some pork right now, you see me.
No, I play them things they hot.
Whatever.
Fire, brother. Fire.
Fire. So you're
Fire.
not even come and give me an high five, no.
No hug, no.
No.
Come sit down, man.
Yeah. Where we sitting at the game for play. What Mike?
Eh?
Oh, where there?
Yeah.
Oh,
So I check my mail.
you're
Check
touching
the
me.
first. You know?
Alright.
So what kind of money for junk them they bring in here?
Right.
Here from your yard, come over here.
No, man,
And then
no,
pass-
no,
and then pass
So you could have left it in the car?
that's it, they tell you in a correct game.
Oh,
Yo?
the eye. What I do with too cold now?
What kind of wish too cold?
I want barefoot now.
On the backside.
You want barefoot?
Yeah, more tactile.
Move to Baruka?
Yeah.
Money foolishness.
Yes.
I say you don't know what to talk.
No, I.
Be like, hi, bye-bye.
Hi.
Tomorrow the time I could go
Hi.
and roll out.
Oh. Oh, when tomorrow?
Mhm.
What time you start work now?
I spend time.
Same time? Oh.
So, yeah,
You
tomorrow.
get junk mail too?
Jump your like it.
Yeah.
One roll for junk.
Don't know why.
Hmm?
Don't know.
Eh? Eva.
Any check coming from
Yeah,
the
the department of revenue.
I want pink now.
You don't want pee-pee. Big man.
Rasta this.
What kind of rasta that?
I have come.
Go. Yep.
Big glass. Seal.
Christmas.
Mm.
We're still sending people stuff
Stuff for Christmas.
Yes, stuff for Christmas. Still want us.
Killers. Oh, family. That's yours. This is mine.
Why?
Oh, you remember a table game where we play? With a like a cup, the man sitting on the balloon.
Yeah.
Oh.
Blow
Number,
them off.
right.
And you blow them off. You remember when we played?
Yeah.
We still have a rematch though.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, but
Oh, well, the coffee pot.
That's what kind of I say.
Yeah.
My favorite.
Favorite.
Mm.
Let me pack coffee pot.
KJ, what you doing here?
Hmm?
What kind of this is from Fairburn for?
Let me see that.
What you doing?
Have a picture of that.
What you man?
Fairburn
What
Pony.
you doing? Hey. Look, come there.
What's it say?
Eh?
What's it say?
Well,
Notice to appear in court.
Fail to appear with lead to.
Up to imprisonment and or deportation.
Oh.
What the hell?
Court date January 1st.
January 31st.
31st.
What?
So what on there? What?
Wait,
So how you? It's up.
I don't understand this kind of talk. I keep, because a ticket when you get the other day, you want it. That never
Are you sure a warning?
A warning,
Oh,
you
what the
might
box
take.
said. No, sir.
Taja, you have your picture printed.
you say, you are you as the driver of the vehicle listed below are alleged to have failed to yield to incoming traffic.
Feel to yield to incoming traffic.
Georgia code, oncoming traffic, Georgia code 40, blah blah blah.
What?
You are
are-
presumed you are presumed to be the driver of the vehicle listed below.
How much I can have?
You must be black.
2000. It says.
Yeah,
It
I might
says.
see that. I
It
carry.
says the car, yeah. See your show color, black, everything.
This one, Altima, black. Right.
License
Oh,
plate
yeah.
number, everything on this.
You must know what I'm going on.
No, I'm going to get a warning.
At no time at all, you ever yield to oncoming traffic or something like that?
Really what?
No.
Oh.
Maybe I don't know that man.
Brother, 2 times, you know. 2 times. Me ever get tag. 1 feet tag light and a warning. Me don't know how this.
Unless maybe I look like, unless maybe I camera, because some of them traffic
Some of them-
have camera on or something.
Some of them on a camera catch you. Yeah, and unnecessarily the police pull you over, you know. It could have
I
camera
must
catch you.
camera if you know, if the police
If
don't
you
pull
never
over
pull
for
it,
that.
get pulled over for that.
Find the money.
How much is-
You look like you want to find, look at, let's see.
But wait there. Remember, you know. When me and I carry why not?
$5,000
What?
US dollars?
$5,000.
No, me no want you.
5,000 US dollars? Let me see that, Michael. Let me see. Make your cashier's check or money order payable to Fairburn. Pay by phone by calling blah blah blah. Available 24 hours, 7 days a week. Do not mail cash.
No, no, this is I couldn't drive anything on your one.
No, Michael, me I tell you, man.
But you have your picture.
If I lie, I don't have picture of the my driver's license.
So all them, when them pull up and find
You can pull up.
They,
Maybe you're green.
maybe and your green card.
What?
The picture. Eh?
that picture on your green card, your passport,
No, brother.
that's on your green card or your
No.
passport. Is it on your passport?
No.
Another
Check
one
my
by your
passport.
You
Again.
didn't get that picture.
Your passport.
Your passport picture that man.
No. Listen me, I say.
Remember
It's a
exactly.
jacket, but check my passport. It's a black shirt.
No,
And,
again, man. Remember when you take a picture of a man?
well, me don't know where that's
No,
from.
they can easily
A facial recognition system. They have, you know,
Yeah.
They can easily
they have a
pull up.
facial recognition system. So if you don't have a police record, they use facial recognition. They use your green card. They use your passport. Track it down.
So,
No, my car to say.
Me not understand.
but it can be.
You can register to me, so that's why you get to me.
Yeah.
But if you can't register to you, me and Prem drive the car. Yeah, and me only get tagged 2 times. 1 feet tag light and a warning. Yeah, so how that come in?
That
It
must be.
can't be camera because me and Prem drive the car.
So you
So
must have been driving the car.
Yeah.
They know you must
You were driving the car.
So the camera pick up me alone in there?
Yeah.
So you alone never
How many
drive
times you
the car.
drive
Yeah.
one?
Me alone.
Look how many
Come
times
here,
you're
tell
on.
you 2 times me get tag, 1 feet tag like, and you warning.
But they have cameras and they send people tickets from cameras when they do things
Yes,
all over the place.
this must have been one of the time when
They
you
have
don't
them
wanna
on the
drive.
highway.
Now one of them pull up a car, a park, no.
They have them on the highway. They have them at intersections.
But me never feel ill to no car pan incoming traffic.
You don't remember none of that?
No.
Oh my, that night I was 5,000.
Fuck.
And it has and it says it's due when? When does it say the due date is? It says due by January 31st, 2020. That's the end of the month. You have $5,000?
Yeah, for go to police station tomorrow, see if we can figure that.
You have $5,000?
When now we ask me have that, me don't even know how that coming to blow.
You know, say official letter. I want you
See the union, see the police symbol.
Let's see what's happening with what going on, man. What you do? Oh, you come to run light and all this. That's what you do.
Me I tell you, me no run no light, Michael. Me no run no light. Me never run a red light.
It says official Georgia code.
Jesus up in there.
No,
Your
but
roof, yeah, but
that was the $5,000.
right now, we cannot even.
It says imprisonment and or deportation. Failure to appear will lead up to imprisonment and or deportation. So you have to go to court.
Yeah. Me don't know where that come from, bro. Me don't know where that come from. Man, watch out, go for my passport and look. Me I tell you something, me know something.
Your picture this man, you might go through this thing all over the place like I know you. And you might carry that. You don't drive the car, me don't drive it.
Yo, let me tell you something. Tajay.
Yeah, you want to pull you over.
Yeah,
I wonder if I
you don't drive the car, you know. You
that's the first thing come to mind. You're friggin' police someone, remember? You want to pull you over in a fear burn and talk about a warning she give. I wonder if I not a warning and a she do that. That's what I think, well.
And I don't want to say you can't come to
What I was going to see, you know, I call the court. I see, because the court that deal with this right now. So you have to call the court and find out and give them the case number.
Yeah, there's a case number on it.
And then they can probably explain to you all wrong. You see what I'm saying? But we can't you picture that. You know, despite what you are saying, we understand what you are trying to say, but this is the official letter from the court. You see what I'm saying? So I don't know what to say.
Just feel like say somebody else.
The woman will pull him over.
The last stop going get.
But that was for going too slow.
Yeah.
Anybody can tell you, but if it was going too yeah.
We need to read back now.
But that's not what it says on there. It doesn't say going too slow.
No.
It says failing to yield to oncoming traffic.
In a fear burn. When?
But Fairburn police driving in Union City
You
too.
don't feel when police pull you over the other day?
Yeah.
Okay, so hit that one. You don't have to drive to feel
$5,000. You know much that when you can't go Jamaica go cash you.
We will get $5,000.
Let me see how much that at Jamaica.
We will get $5,000.
Let me want to check up it for me. 5,000. How much I want $3 down there? Yeah, look for over $600 and $1,000 Jamaica, you know. Enough sitting that could have done.
Brother,
Oh,
we don't know about this, brother.
Hey, look, man.
Mayo.
Look,
One.
look, man. I see you, man. You see what I'm saying? You're drive slow and something. You see what I'm saying? So, I don't know what to say, you know. You see what I'm saying?
And then pull you over for that.
What's up, man?
Brother, me say, me no get pull
Pull
over no other time, just one feet tag and he driving slow.
It's
You
a
know
I
this.
must pull over can camera catch you. You see what I'm saying? And they just say it's in the
But me no know about no oncoming traffic thing, Michael. And that me I try to show you.
Maybe you don't remember doing it.
Brother, you tell me to me no remember doing it. And me I drive, you know. So me know what me do on the road, you know.
So what do I say? You probably, like I say, you just have to figure it out the tool tomorrow. I'm trying to favorite what else?
Yeah.
I probably can just look up in the car.
Never want some tea because my blood pressure gone up.
Man, Mayo.
Well, I don't know. We just have to figure out and see. You know, you see, you have to take it step by step. This is why you talk to the court tomorrow.
Tajay.
Tajay, come here.
Tajay.
Come here, Tajay.
Come here, come here. Tajay, come here.
Look, Umber.
Come here.
You know, man, figure this out, man.
Call him from.
I know how you feel, but
Yeah,
you
we
just
gotta
have
figure it
to
out.
figure it out, sir.
Yo, right now, look at that.
That's it, come here.
Come here, Tajay.
Come here, Tajay. Make we talk about it.
Come here, man. Come here. Come, man.
We have to talk about it, man.
Come here.
You're welcome.
Well, here for you.
Yeah, what we're gonna do?
You're welcome.
Come on, come. Come.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You know what we're gonna do?
We'll figure
This
this.
is how we're gonna do
We'll
it.
figure this thing out, man. You know, so tomorrow, we'll get
We love you now. We love you. This is all a prank.
That picture on your passport.
When you leave me, I'm running at garage. Now they come up, I come from, so we could get you.
Yeah, we ever get him first.
Me
he was not
Turn it back by you.
Yeah.
Don't get all of this.
We time we have internet.
Internet and computer, you can one that's in.
All of it was
Yeah,
the
man,
copy of PS Valley.
One farm like you.
Yeah.
And just fill in your
And just
Photoshop.
Yo, let me tell you something. Photoshop is amazing.
When I'm
Put my Photoshop up. Yeah, no, it's good.
Do I understand? That's quite good. Now you're ready to go up there.
Deportation. Deportation. Yo, me wake your father up last night from his sleep, Mr. Yo, you have to look on this. Read all look.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not I know what I want. I'm see Brenda look on keyboard. They sound like me. I want the fashion prank.
Yeah, let me say, let me tell you something.
No, sir. It's legit. If I prank, I just the front part.
Yeah, and the back part of the blonde.
The back part of the black guy print that.
Yeah. There's the price and everything. And you're like,
Legit to blood.
You see when you come in the room last night and we shut down the computer? That's because I was working on that.
I work for your ticket. I work for your
I worked on your ticket.
I'm me a think about Rocky. I just deport me and tell him to me. Me not got no children.
What you say? You go to Jamaica?
Freedom, brother. Brother, but yo, now I'm putting me there.
We get the good one. We get the good. That's about this.
We got him! We got him!
I'm president of that over Pancas. I'm just my boy. Yeah, rampy.